Hi lovely people, it's Rachel and welcome back to my channel. I thought I would just share with you a little flip through my Cocoa Daisy Dori for the month of July and just share with you a little bit of how I've set things up. So this is a Lush number 4 in Ocean, which, let's face it, given that July has an ocean theme, is just perfect. I ordered it in May as part of for my birthday, and so yeah, really love it. It's so gorgeous. Usual gold, silver butterfly on the spine, mint elastics. I think it was turquoise stitching. Anyway, it's getting quite chunky because I've got a lot of stickers in the back, and you can see there my June insert is pretty full too, and I'll share with you why that is. And it's just to do with the fact I'm combining the Dori with the personal pages at the moment. So other little bits that I've got on here, this was in the July kit. These little bookmarks down here are from Tail to Tell shop. I bought them last year and they're just perfect really. And this was in last year's July kit. I think it was the July one for Cocoa Daisy. So here we go. So a couple of pens on the side. And when we get in, when I say I've got a lot of stickers in the back pocket, you'll see what I mean if I just pull out a big wodge that's there. I've just been shoving all of the Cocoa Daisy sticker kit stickers in there just as a have them for on the go, and then I've got the front pockets. I've also got little extras in too. So I have made, first of all, just a little folder to wrap around my insert. I did this for June as well. And it's just got little wallets, and I've just put little notes, little keepsakes, things in there that I might just want to hang on to. And then we get into July itself. So I've stuck the month at a glance from the personal pages as a bit of a fold out, and just put down some key dates on there, some of my teaching schedule and things. These small stickers are from my shop. I'll leave that link down below, and that is just there. And then I've got my July goals, and this I will probably just use for notes and things. And then I've put an area with some sticky notes ready for just jotting down specific family memories, and I like to put some photos in there. The month at a glance that comes in the Dori, I usually use just as a kind of word of the day, but I've also put this current stress level in. I thought I might just do a bit of mood tracking again, yeah, just to keep an eye on things at the moment, because I've been quite up and down, to be perfectly honest with you. I think I'm a bit worn out. It's been a tough 6 months of the year so far. You know, we've had a lot of difficult things to deal with. Lots of good things, but some difficult things too. Anyway, so yes, that's how that looks. I really like how that just flips out, and then when I'm in my weeks, I can see that. So I've then got, this will be my currently page. I've just put a couple of little prompts in there. I used a mild liner for those, and I think it was actually this one, just to write those in. I'm not bothering about trying to do fancy lettering because, do you know what? Who cares? It's for me anyway, this. So that's my currently list, and I'll probably put some other things on this side as we go through. I might put down some scripture or different things that I want to focus on. And then we come to the weekly page, and this is where it gets a bit different. So what I've been doing is I've been keeping the Dori pages as usual for my journaling and kind of writing, and then I've been sticking in the personal pages, the week on 2, with the holes trimmed off, just putting them in with washi tape, and I've got this kind of tip out affair. So what I like about doing it this way is that I can fold that back that way so I can write here, or I can fold that way so I can write here, or fold them out of the way so that I can write here, no problem. And they are just then there for, that's all the journal space. And then this is where I'm jotting down my daily sort of to-do list, because I did think about putting it into a ring bound planner, but honestly I can't do 3 planners. I know I talked about potentially using this, which is gorgeous, and I'm feeling very guilty in a way that I'm not using it, but oh, I don't know. I might have to put some more planners up for sale. Oh, but they're so pretty. Anyway, that's by the by. I'll test this for July and see how I like it. I also tried putting it in my Erin Condren, but I just found that I didn't actually have enough space because I like to write quite long to-dos. My to-do lists, I like to write more than a couple of words. And although I was enjoying doing it in the my Erin Condren, if I just show you here, I just found that when I was looking back at the week, it just felt so crowded and just not nice to look at. I was just finding it too busy, too busy, too much. So I'm putting my Erin Condren back to just being kind of forward plans of what is happening when, and some of like the business planning and things. And this is just going to then be my running to-dos. So throughout I've done Monday to Friday and then put the weekend just with one list and then covered the Sunday up with a sticker or a die cut or something like that. So just show you this as well. This is my little daily bookmark. I made it from the packaging and the little card that always comes with the kit that Christine puts in, telling us about the inspiration behind the kit, and that then just sits on the page that we're at. So a few more pages, I'll just show you these. Oh, and I've been putting my meal planning in here and then getting frustrated that I think there was only 2, maybe 3 meal planning stickers. So I'm going to have to figure out another one when I get to the next week. So yeah, then I've just put some die cuts in already. And this one, yeah, I've not actually put anything there. I think I'm going to make myself as well some more checklist stickers because obviously I've not got enough from the planner add-on kit. And that's something that's not guaranteed that I'll get every time. So, yeah, I'm going to make myself some to fit because the stencil didn't line up with the lines. And you know if you've watched any of my videos, you'll know my frustration of when stickers or things don't line up with the lines of the thing that they come with. Erin Condren's a right one for that. So I'm going to make my own, and that's that will be that problem solved. So yeah, I've done that one. Then we've got some blank pages, lined page in the middle and another blank. I'm not sure whether I will use these to journal specific events because I've got my daughter's 9th birthday, or whether I might make things like sermon notes there. You see, I have got this on each week as well, which is another notes area, so we'll see how that goes. It's a bit of a work in progress as ever. And again, tip outs, and I've barely put anything in here because I didn't want to put too many die cuts in because it was getting quite fat. And then yeah, I've got a blank at the back plus another grid at the back, so I've got quite a bit of writing space, and I just used some of the papers and the dashboards to cover the actual dory with. And then you've got the end of my folder there, and these just really freak me out. I might have to do a bit of trimming and cutting and stick something over that instead. I should have used one of the dashboards rather than the paper. I didn't think about it at the time. Never mind. So that is, and also that is essentially the setup that I've had for June for the last couple of weeks with the tip out pages, as you can see. And yeah, I did a little bit more on that one as well. So yeah, I quite like how that works. Oh, and then I just shove the vellums and the acetates around just because they're pretty and nice and lovely. So there we go, and then that's already got things in. And then I've just got stickers in the back there. You see, my logic with putting the die cuts in advance was that I won't carry those around, but the stickers I can carry around. So there you go. Maybe I need to put one of these on the back of that folder. That might work. That might just work. And just cover it up. Or the inhale, exhale. That might be nice. We'll have a think. Anyway, let me tuck those away for now. So there we go. So that is my July dory setup. Can't believe we've hit July already. It seems crazy to me, but hey, there you go. If you've got a setup video or if you've got an Instagram or anything, I would love to see it. Do link it down below. I'd love to take a peek. And don't forget, I also have my design team call open until the 27th of June. So if that's something that would interest you, again, take a peek at the link in my description down below. Until next time, lovely people, I shall say goodbye. I hope you have a fab rest of the day. Bye.